In this video, I want to show you how to add XY coordinates to point feature in ArcGIS Pro. So for example, in ArcGIS Pro, I have this point feature. So if I open the attributes table of this feature by right-clicking it and click on attributes table. In the attributes table of this feature, we can see series of points. If you are interested in finding the X and Y coordinate of each of these points, let me show you the easiest way to get it done in ArcGIS Pro. So to do that, let me close this attributes table. Come to Analysis and click on Tools. Then search for XY coordinates. So here you can see Add XY coordinates under the Data Management tool. So click to open it. Then under Parameters, Input Features, click here and select your point feature. Then click on Run. When you run it, it will create two fields, one for X and the other one for Y, and it will calculate the coordinate for each point. So it is done. So right click and open the attributes table again. Yes, in the attributes table, you can see that point X and point Y has been added, and the coordinates for each point has been added. So it is calculated in meter because the projection of this data is projected coordinate reference system. So you can see that it has added the X and Y coordinate of each of the points to the attributes table. So in essence, this is how to add X and Y coordinates to point feature in ArcGIS Pro. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.